prawn curry. We need 2 sizes of prawns, the big king prawns and smaller ones. To prepare the big king prawns, pull off the head, give it a good rinse, and then we need to cut the prawns open along the back and slash them with a knife so they butterfly open properly, so you can remove the vein at the back. Give it another rinse, and now we flick it open with a toothpick. Makes it much easier to cook. Season it liberally with masala spice, or you could use our chili and garlic seasoning. And the smaller prawns, we've deveined them, we've removed the shells except the little end bit. They also get seasoned. Oil the pan, add a little bit of butter. That gives flavor and it helps with browning. Now put the big king prawns in with the fleshy side down. We brown that first. Now when they brown, turn them. The big secret with prawns is not to overcook them. Cook until just nearly done. Take the prawns out. Before we add the smaller prawns, just fill up the pan with a little more butter and oil. Add the little ones, turn them until they're just done. Keep on one side. Add the butter chicken sauce. Add the coconut milk. Oh, looks delicious. Remove the toothpicks from the big king prawns. Now add the little prawns and the big ones back into the sauce. Now you can see a little bit more cooking is taking place here. Just bubble until everything is done. Mix the gremolata, parsley, chopped up garlic, lemon rind. Fluff it up with your fingers. Then we use some of the coriander pesto and dot here and there. Lovely flavor. And then we add the gremolata. Now what is there not to like? This is as good or better than any dish you could have in a restaurant.